Hello friends, this is Manak from Civil Center and welcome all of you back to the 10th video on the video tutorial series on how to make a beam column plan in AutoCAD. We are working on the text box or the title box of this plan, so let's get started with that. So first of all, here we can name this, let us first copy this, switch on the ortho here. Simply copy this, let us give it a drawing number, say drawing number 1. So the drawing number has been given. Now here we'll assign the scale. So the scale of the drawing is to copy this. So the scale of the drawing is 1:100. We'll mention that here. Now if you want, we can create another offset here also. So enter, and the distance will specify as 1465. Let us give it this distance. Okay, we'll simply extend this. You can reduce this distance if required. So this is our title box for now. So now here we can divide this if we want. Let us divide this into 4 parts so that we can get the center. Now we'll select line here and join this up to here. So this has been divided into 4 parts. So here I'm going to keep my drawn by. We'll copy this. So here we can keep the name of the person who is drawing this. Let us give my name, suppose. So let us keep it short. Here we can keep the person who is designing it. So we are done with this. We can just reduce the space here. In this space we can give our project number. So let us copy it from here. Give our project number here, and also we can simply copy this. So here let us say project number will give as 1, or say ABC1 001. So this will be our project number, and here we can give or checked, which will be signed after checking. Move this a bit. Okay. Here we can provide our date. So we copy this from here to here. We mention the date here. Let's give it a date. So let us give it a date. Suppose we'll put a date here, 20/03/2020. So we have given a date here. Next we can put the client signature. So we'll simply copy this, move it, copy it from here to here. So here a line, you can write client. So here we can take the signature of the client, and here the person who is designing the plan, and here you can paste the logo of your organization or anything you can paste. Let us try and place the logo of Civil Center here. I'll just copy this. We had already made this earlier. So you can switch off the ortho here. and let us see if it accommodates here. We'll just fit in. So it has fit in here. So this is our logo and this is our title box. You can customize your title box as per your preference. So we have done this. So friends, for printing this file we can press Ctrl+P and then we'll select a plotter. So the plotter I prefer is DWG PDF, which is present in every AutoCAD format. So the paper size, as you know, will print it in A4 format, A4, so I have selected A4, and plot area will select as window. So let's select a window here first. Now as you can see, some bottom portions are not visible. So what we can do is we can try and center the plot. Now as you can see, the whole drawing is visible after we had centered the plot here. So this is the easiest way to print any file having proper dimensions and visibility. We'll simply check the preview here. As you can see, we are good here. So this is the preview. So, and the entire plan is coming within the title box area or within the box area. So we can print this file and save it as PDF. So we can press OK. So after we press OK, we can save it in our desktop or anywhere, file for beam column plan model, or you can simply save it as plain beam layout. So we'll save it here. We'll save it as plain beam layout, and as you can see, our default PDF reader will open the file and then we can view the file. So as you can see, this is our default file for PDF file for our plain beam column plan or beam layout. So friends, that's all for today. How did you find this video? Please let us know in our comment section, and in our upcoming videos we'll show you more, and also we'll show how to design this building. So that's all for today. See you guys. Bye bye.